Ron Atchison for IDSCarCare.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Bead Booster Ceramic Detailer with advanced SiO2 and wax technology. Today we'll be using this product as a drying aid, and I'll go over the benefits of using a drying aid and why you should use one. So as you can see, this car has very nice beading qualities to it. This car happens to have McKee's 37 3-year SiO ceramic coating. One of the beautiful things about a ceramic coating, after you've washed your car, you can take your hose and simply sheet the water off. As you can see, the water just runs off the glass, virtually hardly any water left behind. Same thing with the door panel. You can virtually just about sheet the panel dry. On the surface, that looks like a good thing, but actually it's not. If this were a dark color car, like a red, a blue, a black, over time, taking my towel, drying the car, and rubbing my dry towel over these dry areas of the paint, there's the potential to introduce towel marring in the paint. And over time, that's going to start to show up, and the car is going to definitely not look as good as it could. So the way to prevent that is to use a drying aid. And for that, we're going to use the Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Bead Booster Ceramic Detailer. All you do is simply put a couple of mists onto the wet panel and go ahead and dry it as you normally would. You can instantly feel the Mother's Hybrid Ceramic Detailer on there. The paint is extremely slick, so it's preventing any kind of towel marring. It's putting a nice gloss on the finish. It's making it extremely slick. It's streak-free. Product does a wonderful job. Looks great. So that's how you use a drying aid, and for that we used the Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Bead Booster Ceramic Detailer. Product did a fabulous job. I think it's a good product. Pick yourself up a bottle. I'm sure you'll be happy that you did. You can get this at IDSCarCare.com. This is Ron Atchison. Thanks for watching.